Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly special, a culinary adventure. That involved a whole lot of deliciousness and a whole lot of wings. We recently put the Bayou Classic Deep Fryer to the ultimate test. And let me tell you, it absolutely delivered. We set out with a mission to cook 100 wings. Yes, you read that right. 100 perfectly crispy golden brown wings. It sounds like a big undertaking, but with the right tools and a little bit of passion, it became an incredibly rewarding experience. The Bayou Classic Deep Fryer made this task feel surprisingly manageable. Its consistent heat and generous capacity meant we could cook in batches without sacrificing quality. Each wing came out with that satisfying crunch, juicy on the inside and bursting with flavor. It's moments like these, sharing good food with good company, that truly make life special. This wasn't just about cooking a large quantity. It was about the joy of creating something delicious and seeing the smiles it brings. It's a reminder that with a little preparation and the right equipment, you can tackle even the most ambitious cooking projects and end up with fantastic results. We're so thrilled with how everything turned out and the ease with which the Bayou Classic handled it all. It's a testament to quality and thoughtful design. Thank you so much for joining us on this wing-tastic journey. We hope this inspires you to try something new in your own kitchen.